Welcome to my channel. Please showing my top 5 best products review.
Product review number 1.
Jinlumshan 2 PCS Wireless Lavalier Microphone with Charging Case 3. The Jinlumshan 2 PCS Wireless Lavalier Microphone with Charging Case, the perfect companion for all your video recording and vlogging needs. With its simple fitting and play arrangement, essentially associate the small scale receiver to your iPhone or iPad and cut it onto your shirt to begin catching excellent sound in a moment or two. The wireless mic comes with a convenient charging case that houses the microphone and doubles as a portable storage solution. With its implicit 80 mAh powered battery, you can appreciate as long as 8 hours of ceaseless use on a solitary 1-hour charge. The case also features indicator lights to let you know the remaining battery power, ensuring you never run out of juice during important recordings. One standout feature of this microphone is its advanced noise reduction capabilities. Equipped with a built-in intelligent active noise reduction chip, it allows you to record crystal clear audio even in noisy environments. Choose from 3 different noise reduction modes, including an AI noise cancelling feature, manual noise reduction, and reverberation mode.
Product review number 2.
Amazon Basics Guitar Stand, Adjustable Folding Guitar Rack. As a musician who values both functionality and convenience, the Amazon Basics Guitar Stand has proven to be an excellent choice for storing and displaying my acoustic and electric guitars. This tripod guitar stand is versatile and can also accommodate bass guitars and ukuleles up to 26 inches in size. Its durable iron frame construction, coupled with soft rubber padding, ensures that my instruments are well protected and securely held in place. The sturdy tripod base with thick metal support bars and anti-slip rubber feet provides a stable foundation, eliminating any worries about my instruments tipping over. The self-centering lower yoke and rubber end caps further enhance the safety of the stand by preventing any sliding or tipping. I appreciate the secure height adjustable mechanism with a friction knob lock, which effectively prevents the rotation of the upper yoke, keeping my instruments in the desired position. One of the standout features of this guitar stand is its portable design. It conveniently folds flat, making it easy to store and transport. Whether I'm going to a gig, a practice, or just have to let loose space in my studio, this element is a unique advantage. Moreover, the dark variety adds a smooth and expert touch to my instrument show.
Product review number 3.
Zola Professional Wireless Lavalier Microphone for iPhone, iPad, Android. As a content creator who values convenience and high-quality audio, the Zola Professional Wireless Lavalier Microphone has been a game changer for my video recordings and live streams. This wireless microphone offers a plug-and-play experience, requiring no Bluetooth or app connection. Whether I'm conducting interviews, recording videos for TikTok, Facebook Live, or YouTube, this microphone delivers exceptional sound quality without any hassle. The omnidirectional pickup and built-in intelligent DSP noise reduction chip ensure that my voice remains clear and stereo, even in noisy environments. One of the standout features of this microphone is its impressive wireless transmission distance of up to 65 feet. Whether I'm indoors or outdoors, I can rely on the stable audio signal and minimal sound latency, resulting in seamless recordings. The microphone comes with an upgraded charging compartment that not only stores the microphone and receiver but also charges them. With a full charge, the microphone and receiver can work continuously for approximately 6-7 hours, making it perfect for long recording sessions or live events.
Product review number 4.
YLL Karaoke Machine for adults and kids. Are you ready to unleash your inner singing sensation? Look no further than the YLL Karaoke Machine. As an avid karaoke enthusiast, I can confidently say that this portable Bluetooth speaker PA system is the ultimate party companion. With its superb sound quality and high-performance 10W stereo speakers, you'll experience richer bass and clearer, louder sound that will make you the star of the show. Plus, the distortion-free voice effect ensures a perfect sound even at maximum volume. One of the champion elements of this karaoke machine is its flexibility in the network. You can associate it in 4 distinct ways. Via Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless music streaming up to 33 feet away. AUX. In. USB input. Or out. This implies you can undoubtedly interface your cell phones, tablets, PCs, electric guitars, or even computers to make a customized karaoke experience. The separate controls for the Bluetooth karaoke machine and wireless microphone volume give you optimal control over your sound. With a durable battery duration of 6-10 hours, you can appreciate relentless music playing with no prohibitive strings. Likewise, this karaoke speaker serves as a charging station, permitting you to re-energize your cell phone by means of the USB port.
Product review number 5.
Leadus 2 PCS Lavalier wireless microphone for iPhone iPad. Looking to up your video recording, game streaming, or vlogging game? Look no further than the Leadus wireless microphone for iPhone and iPad. As someone who is always on the go, capturing content and conducting interviews, this wireless microphone has become an essential tool in my kit. With its excellent noise cancellation and plush windproof covers, I can now achieve exceptional stereo sound quality, even in outdoor environments. The microphone also comes with 4 replacement sponge heads, ensuring that I can keep recording without any interruptions. One of the standout features of this wireless microphone is its stable transmission capability. Within a range of 65 feet in a clean environment, I can enjoy uninterrupted recording sessions, making it perfect for game live streaming, video recording, and online meetings. The 7-hour-long battery duration is a unique advantage too. With a completely energized mouthpiece, I can confidently tackle outside interviews, podcasts, vlogs, and more, without worrying about running out of battery.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product.